And we're live. Here we go. It's the local sport kickoff meeting. It's Sam and Stella today. I know a few others wanted to make it, but couldn't at the last minute. So yeah, we had the client meeting today, and I went through the board with the client, and let me just share the screen there. And we got a lot of things approved and checked out, so we can see all of these things approved there. And we've got a few new things in the icebox. I guess the big action item for me is I need to do this. I just get this done. Is I need to do some configuration on the server. I'll just click start on there. I'll just put my name on it. But yeah, so that's all positive. We've got lots of input. I guess the thing to do is focus on stuff for you, Stella. How are things going? I think, did you have a open pull request?
I have, but I have an issue.
Oh yeah.
After pulling, I have so many uncommitted files, and
right.
Even after I cache, they're not going anywhere. Can I share my screen a little bit?
Please do. Yes.
So I have all these files, and
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've created a new section of the documentation on this problem that I don't know if you've seen yet. Don't worry about reading it now. I'm just going to post a link to it so that you've got it for reference later on.
Oh, it's okay. I was wondering where all these files are coming from.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I can maybe just check a way to sort this out. We need to improve, I think, on what the project does, like, because this is, lots of people get stuck on it. But there's basically a sequence of commands that you can do to sort of remove these. Like, sometimes you do need to check some of them in, is the idea, when you're making a new feature. But most of the time, you want to be kind of getting rid of them. So I don't know if you can see here, we've basically got this set of commands that you can do. I'll put them as a kind of a chunk in the chat for you, and basically you can kind of run them as just a set. What I will probably do, and I'll start it now, is I'm going to make a rake task that will make it easy to do this. So when you find yourself in this situation, it just, yeah. So that's the set of, like, if you just take, I've messed it up. Yeah, if you have a look at Slack, I've just posted the set of 4 commands that would effectively clean things up.
Okay. Thank you.
You're most welcome. What I will do as well is I'm going to, have we got, I'll just check if we've got a ticket for this already. But what I'll do, we've got a chore on this, and that's from Lockers. Yeah, I guess what I will do here, we do have a chore on this. Yeah, so we've got description of this issue here. Thinking we should at least make a clear cache rake task. Okay. So yeah, I think we definitely want to work on that one. Yeah. So anything else blocking you, Stella?
No, that was my only issue, because even the tests were failing and things I didn't start. So once I get that sorted, I'll be able to move on. Okay,
great.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think that's fine. What if you do have a chance? Do watch the video of the client meeting if you're interested. I'll just copy the link and post that to you here in the chat. No rush. No rush. Just that we talk about the event feature and different things, and the client talked about some other things that would make the events kind of good, like talking about maybe a calendar pop-up for selecting the dates and things. Anyway, you don't have to worry about it now, but maybe next week in the this meeting, if we've got more people, we'll do a vote, and but it's good. Yeah, but there's various new things that have come up that we'll vote on in future meetings and get into the backlog.
Then can you request for the thing to do with flags? I think I lost that link on how to add a flag on a Preact that's still not complete.
The feature flag.
Yeah. The feature flag.
I think it's working. So for example, if we go to the live site, we can see, for example, some of the other features that you've developed, such as if I sign in properly. If we sign in here, then we can go to events new, so we can see it live on the site. But there's no events in the in the navigation, so it's kind of hidden. But yeah, maybe there isn't a feature flag for events. I mean, at the moment, there's no rush to put in a feature flag because we can just we can have them like at these secret URLs.
Oh, okay. So in the current BR, I don't need the feature flag.
I don't think it's urgent. We could.
Oh, it's alright.
It's not urgent. Like at some point, if we want to, add events to the navigation, that's when we might want to have the feature flag, or it would be important to have the feature flag. But so, yeah, no rush on that, as long as we're not putting anything in the navigation.
Oh, okay. Then I think I'm good to go.
All right. Yeah. Well, I think we might just call that a day, a short meeting. Great to be able to just check in with you there on those things. And maybe we'll finish early, and then I can do some of the little housekeeping things that I need to do based on the client meeting today. And maybe see you same time next week.
Yeah, see you.
Great. Thanks,
Bye.
Bye for now.
Thanks. Bye.